Hello, today we will guide you through how to change time zone in FXCM. In this walkthrough, we'll adjust the time zone that the FXCM web trading platform uses to display times across charts, quotes, and account windows. This is helpful if you travel, work with markets in a different region, or simply want all timestamps to match your local clock. Start by opening the FXCM web trading platform in your browser. Make sure you're on the main trading interface where you can see your watch list, charts, and account panels. Give the page a moment to fully load so that all menus are available. Look toward the upper right corner of the platform for your profile area. Depending on your setup, this may appear as your initials or a small avatar icon. This is your account menu, and it's where you'll access platform preferences. Click the profile area to open the menu. A small panel will appear with several options. From here, choose Settings. The Settings page centralizes display and platform preferences so you can tailor what you see without changing your trading data. Within Settings, find the Time Zone section. You'll see a drop-down showing your current time zone. Click the drop-down to open the list of available time zones. The list typically includes common cities and regions, as well as GMT offsets, which makes it easier to match your preferred time quickly. Select the time zone you want to use. As soon as you pick it, the platform applies the change. You should notice timestamps on charts. The Market Watch and Order and Trade panels reflect your new selection. If you have multiple windows or charts open, they'll all follow this setting. A few tips to keep in mind. This setting changes how times are displayed on your screen. It doesn't alter your historical trade data or how orders are executed. If your region observes daylight saving time, the platform's time zone will typically adjust automatically when the offset changes seasonally. After switching, it's a good idea to confirm by glancing at the time shown on a chart's x-axis or next to a symbol in your watch list and comparing it with your local clock. If you ever want to revert or switch to a different market's time, return to the same settings area and choose another option from the dropdown. Keeping your platform aligned with your local time can reduce confusion, help you plan entries and exits more precisely, and make reviewing history clearer. That's it. Your time zone in FXCM is now updated. Thanks for following along, and happy trading.